This weekend we're going to go up to Red Squirrel Lake Road, and we're going to see if we can find a place to camp, and I'm going to go canoeing. I know it's a little cold this time of year for canoeing, and a lot of people might
think that's nuts.
think it's nuts. A couple of things here. We will be not very far from the truck. Two, we're both established canoeists, so we know our canoe. And three, especially Jen, she's a triathlete, so she knows how to swim. And I'm actually a fairly competent swimmer too.
Yes. And we have extra clothes in case something does happen.
Yeah.
In our dry bag. And what else? We're going to wear our life jackets.
Yep.
So we'll be fine.
So we're getting close to
Temagami.
Just after that is Red Squirrel Road. Some of these lakes or ponds, whatever you want to call them, they're already skimmed over with ice.
Yeah, the ones on the side of the road.
So we might not even be able to use the canoe.
We don't have any snow really in North Bay, but they've got a fair bit up here actually. So who knows what we're in for today.
I hope you can hear this because the canoe is making a right racket.
Yep. Made it to Red Squirrel Road. Hopefully it's not closed. Doesn't look like it, eh?
What does it say about all these signs here? Well, we made it to Red Squirrel Lake. There's a whole whack of campsites that are really nicely marked here.
Yeah, it's a really unique spot up here.
Yeah, really cool. I bet you this is really hard to get into in the summertime, but only one, actually two. I found two people up here.
Yeah.
Two old guys sitting down with a nice fire, and there was somebody that's near that Wanapate camp. But anyway, wasn't totally where I wanted to go. Jen's tires aren't the best, so we're going to go here instead. Still a nice little area. Hopefully we can get out on the canoe. Don't know if we'll get anything, but we're going to target what's available right now in season. Set up the tarp somewhere, and I don't know where we're going to get some firewood. Might have to go for a little bit of a wood run in the truck, but
yeah, we'll figure it out.
Anyway, we're finally here.
Yeah. That's hilarious. You can look at the lake while you have a pee.
Okay, so priority number one, I'm going to put the tarp up. It's cold. So might be a given, but I'm going to face the wind with the back of the tarp. So I'm going to stake these down, get this set up. We're going to have to go on a wood run too. I don't know if we're going to do that before or after we get out in the canoe. I'll show you my tarp setup. And we're lucky because right here there's no there's not a lot of snow, so seems a good enough place to me.
Let one go?
Yeah, let the far one go. Get it up higher.
Towards the truck or towards me?
Towards you, the one in the far corner there.
Well, tent's all set up. Still have to put the bedding and such into there, but we'll do that after. We're gonna go and retrieve a bit of wood so we can have that ready to go. And yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to go through the bush and see what we can find for dry, dead wood. one has also fallen too. I don't know if it's too rotten though.
For all you guys out there think you have a crazy wife, I got you beat. Who wants to go fishing in snow in a canoe? Jen does. There's always an opportunity for fishing with Jen. She's on to me. I'll let you guys go. Let's get Jen set up here, but yeah, so I left my my super puff and my outside jacket in the truck. I got the keys in right near the ignition.
We're gonna be fine.
I know this. I'm just letting people know the extent of my planning, you know. So I'm not even sure what's in this lake, because Fish Online, it's probably all full of wind here, sorry everyone. Fish Online and the Crown Land Atlas, they had the same engine that was down. So I know the rules and regulations, but I had no idea to know what's in this lake. So I'm hoping bass or pike, or even perch, because that's what we're targeting, or even walleye would be nice. But anyway, let's give her a go.
Are we allowed walleye right now?
Yep.
Alright, we're in the canoe. And we're just going to do a little dawdling around here for a bit, see if we're lucky enough to catch something. There we go. Should have brought my rod holder. Whew, it's chilly, that's for sure.
Huh? See, told you got something.
Thanks. Well, we're back at camp. Didn't catch anything, so we're just gonna throw the canoe back on so that tomorrow when we are cold in the morning and ready to leave, we don't have to deal with it tomorrow. And I guess we're just gonna have a little snack and grab some more firewood. And because we're starting to lose our light, it's already 5:30, and then we'll start making dinner after we get a little bit more firewood. Yeah, pretty peaceful, relaxing, enjoyable afternoon out here. Attempt number 2 to get this fire started. The wood's pretty wet around here.
I got those cut really thin. They should
catch, eh? Hopefully the third time is the charm.
Okay, so as Jen is making the bed, I'm going to start supper. Tonight's going to be a real simple curry again. It's freezing cold out again. Nothing like a nice cozy hearty meal. So last time we tried to use the jet boil and it was a complete fail. I just didn't have no heat, anything below 0. I had to keep on putting my jacket. So this time I'm going to use my MSR stove, and it's a larger size stove, and I'm going to actually invert the canister upside down, and I hope that that will make the cooking experience much better. As far as the setup here, I got a little I found a nail in the tree and I pointed it down at me, trying to make this as good as I can, and I got the microphone tucked behind a tree because there's a lot of wind coming in my face here. So I'll get to setting it up here. So I had this stove, well, I bought it before, maybe it was when my son was born, but probably 21 years ago. I try all sorts of different types of stoves. I always come back to this one because it's reliable and it works. So I know I'm probably going to jinx myself here now, but I'm actually quite confident that this rapid fire will have no problem. So canister upside down. This is not MSR's recommendation. As you can see, I got 2 little paper clips to hold it up. It's got a nice little windscreen on the, hold on that for a second, Jen, on the bottom and on the top with a reflector. It's going to be perfect. Not normally my knife skills. This is what it is. I'm going to burn this cardboard afterwards and put it in the fire. Get all that stuff in there. Onions and everything. Hey, dirty trick smells good, eh? These aren't going in yet. They'll go in last. Just getting it all cut up. Gonna pour in a little bit of masala. God.
Both hands can open it.
Even the container won't open up. Good quality chopped tomatoes. Listen, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to take the other cans with me too. For those who don't like using cans when you're others. So I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper. I'm going to leave them fly in there. So I'm going to let this bubble up a bit here. Going to get around the fire for a little bit. I got this turned really low. This thing's amazing how low it'll go. So I'm just going to let it simmer away there for a bit. Once it gets all situated, we'll throw the mushrooms, peppers, and a little more butter in. And I do have to make some rice too. Anyways, I need to go warm up.
Drying your mitts. Oh, my fingers are starting to thaw out. They're tingling. Couldn't get it started, but it's good now.
Yeah, we're on the last bit of wood though.
I know. Burning fast, eh?
Well, the wind is just whipping here.
Yeah.
This wind is not very enjoyable, man.
No.
Okay, so that's pretty good there now.
Smells good.
Oops. More than I wanted there, but whatever. It's minute rice. I think it calls for a cup. Looks about right to me. Doing okay, no? Rice is done. Put it up here so it'll fall on the ground.
Just warming up the other stuff.
Yeah, so bowls.
Bowls. Okay.
No, half rice.
Cheers to freezing our butts off today and having a nice meal.
Cheers, dear.
I have to try and do this without eating my hair too. Good, eh?
Delicious.
Nice and warm.
Too spicy?
Hmm?
Too spicy?
No. Is it too spicy for you?
Nope.
It's good. Okay, we're just getting into bed. It's what, probably 8:30 now, eh? Roughly.
Well, probably. It takes about an hour to get in the sleeping bag. So my toes are cold.
Mm-hmm.
They weren't that cold in the boot. I'm hoping it's gonna warm up here, but it takes a half an hour.
Minutes. Yeah.
So the part that I find really interesting is when you are settled away in these things, it's warmer than you would think it would be. It's pretty comfortable from a heat perspective. So
Yeah, it's not too bad.
windy tonight.
Yep. It's cold. The wind's cold. but it's coming right off the lake, right? So
Yeah, that tarp makes a big difference.
it does. It breaks the wind really well.
Yeah. As long as the poles don't fall down again.
Yeah. It was that one.
Yeah.
The one at the end.
Yeah, no.
This one's pretty sturdy. I'd rather it be that one than this one. All right, so I guess we'll see you guys in the morning.
Yeah, we'll see how we go when we get up.
Yeah.
Because,
There's a possibility of snow tonight, eh?
yeah,
3 a.m.?
3 a.m. and it was really, that wind wasn't, even we had a good fire going, that wind was not nice.
No, it's not. So hopefully we won't freeze.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Good night, guys.
Yeah, have a good night.
See you in the morning.
See you tomorrow.
I have no idea what time it is.
12:30.
Okay.
Our tarp keeps getting blown over.
I'd say it's gusting at least 50, if not 70 kilometers an hour at times.
I don't know what else I can do here.
I don't know. I was sleeping so good.
I had to yell at you. The whole tarp was on top of us, suffocating. You would have died.
When I'm out, I'm out.
Is there something? Oh, the pegs are still in.
Yeah, I don't think it's a peg issue. I think it's just the poles keep getting knocked down with all the movement of the tarp. Crazy. Huh?
Well, I think the wind has changed directions too a bit.
Oh, could be.
It's coming from the side now, or was this coming from this way?
When we put the
before?
tent up, it was coming from the lake. Yeah, I don't know. Just know it's really windy.
Look at that, the whole side's going right up. You sure your side's pinned down?
Oh no, it's not on that side. Okay, I gotta uncinch myself here. Is that any better? Maybe a little bit, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Are you able to peg that down a little better? You think? Maybe?
Maybe. No. Oh, man.
Can I have one of those lights? Are we going back to bed now?
I just turned this one down to 1%. Just to keep it on so I can see what's going on a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to crawl back in here now again.
Alrighty, me too. Get all bundled up again. Alright. Hopefully we will, when the camera comes back on, it'll be in the morning.
Yeah.
Well, we survived.
Did we?
Oh, guys, that was so rough.
It's terrible.
It was freezing rain and snow and tons of wind.
Tent posts falling down.
Yeah, over and over and over again.
So I'm not cooking breakfast out in this, so
No,
I'm gonna
we're just gonna tidy everything. Well, most of the side is tidied up.
yeah.
It's basically just this that has to be put down and put away. Oh, but yeah, we've decided that it's not worth staying here in the freezing rain / rain weather with the heavy winds much longer. Now we're gonna head out.
Yep, Rob's and Jen's misadventures again.
Oh wow, this was different.
Just the worst sleep in my life.
I don't know about that one.
What's worse than that?
Screaming infants all night.
I don't know. At least you get a sleep in between it.
Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna have a bar in the truck.
No, I want you. You know what? People want to see you cook something. You should cook the bacon in the rain.
I'll cook next weekend. That was a suggestion from one of our viewers, so next weekend I'm gonna cook. That means I have to plan something. I don't cook, so I don't even know what we're gonna eat. We'll figure it out.
Paper, rock, scissors, who gets the bag?
What do you mean the bag?
Sleeping bag bags.
Oh, I just say roll it up and throw it in the truck and deal with it at home.
Really?
Yeah, why not? You don't like that option?
I really don't care at this point.
All right, let's
do this.
Let's break trail here.
All right.
Okay. Well, we made it into the truck, guys. We're all safe. Truck's warming up now. It's kind of nice.
Roads are...
Road is really greasy. It's worse than yesterday when we came in, obviously because of this freezing rain we had all night. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the episode, please give it a like. And if you're not one of our subscribers, we'd love you to be part of our community and give it a subscribe. And next weekend, like I said, it's my turn to cook for the weekend. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, it was a fun adventure, even though the weather didn't pan out in our favor and we had to cut it short. But I hope you guys all really enjoyed it, and we will see you the next one.
See you.
Bye, guys.